Hello everyone, today we are looking at the LLAVETOR Precision Adjustable Torque Wrench for your maintenance needs. This tool features chromium vanadium alloy steel for superior durability and long-lasting performance in any shop. It delivers an impressive 3% accuracy rate to ensure every bolt is tightened perfectly every time. The integrated visual window scale makes reading measurements quick and easy during your busy repair projects. You can use it for motorcycle repairs, automotive maintenance, or even heavy-duty industrial tasks with ease. The precision sandblasted finish provides a professional feel that both mechanics and DIY enthusiasts will truly appreciate. Upgrade your toolbox with this reliable instrument to handle all your precision torque requirements with total confidence. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.